Here the question is, a particle starts from rest. Its acceleration at time t is equal 0 is 5 meter per second square, which varies with time as shown in the figure. The maximum speed of the particle will be 7.5 meter per second, 15 meter per second, 30 meter per second, 37.5 meter per second. That is a very interesting question. You see, the particle is under the constant acceleration. Okay, acceleration is decreasing, but acceleration is there, not zero and not negative also. Acceleration is positive only. So it means the velocity of the particle will keep on increasing only. Okay, but as the acceleration decreases, it means rate of increase of velocity will be decreasing. Okay, but acceleration is there means what? Force is there. As the force is there, the particle's velocity will go on increasing only. So maximum speed will attain here only, no problem. At the 6 second only, the velocity will be maximum. But what is the velocity at 6 seconds? To calculate it, we go with the theory. We understand that A equal to dv dt. Okay, so dv equal to what? A dt. So if we integrate it, that is nothing but del v. So del v is nothing but A dt. And we know that the graphical meaning of integration of A dt is nothing but area under the graph. Area under the graph AT. This is the graphical meaning of integration. Integration of A dt means it is the area under the graph AT. And what is this? This is equal to del v. Del v means what? V final minus V initial. So now come to the question. V final minus V initial equal to area under the graph. Under the graph area is this only. So which is equal to half into, because it is a triangle, base is 6. Height only 5. Because this point is 5, this point is 0. And initial velocity is 0 because it was from rest only. So V final equal to what? V final equal to 5 3s are 15. All are in SI, so this is 15 meter per second square. This is the velocity at 6 seconds, and which is the final velocity and which is the maximum also, because the car is accelerating from 0 velocity. Okay, so second option is the